What's up, guys?
Oh, shit.
What's up?
How you doing?
Good. How you doing?
Hey, whoa, yeah.
Oh,
Sorry.
up in this
Alright,
restaurant.
I'll reach for it. Bubba, turn around. Turn around.
What's up?
Walk back to him.
I
back,
am
man.
trying to get out of
Put
the
the cigarette in your mouth.
Are y'all okay?
Don't
Mr.
reach towards that.
Harrison?
Don't get that light
I
on my
didn't
face.
mean
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Harrison.
Put your hands behind your back for now.
What for what, dude?
For now. You just got a county ordinance warrant. Put your hands behind your back.
I got a warrant, dude.
Put your hands behind your back.
I
Bubba.
went to court, though, man.
Bubba.
What's wrong?
Bubba,
Dude,
stop
please
right
working so
now.
hard. Okay, I am. Calm down.
Give me
dude.
this flush. Bro, listen, I'm relaxed.
Listen, dude, I'm not fighting you. Would you
Bubba.
let me talk to you, bro? I'm
Yeah,
cool.
give me
Just
a
calm
second.
down. I don't get like
Listen.
that. Bro, tell him I'm cool. I ain't gonna
Listen,
fuck
I've
stuff on
dealt
y'all.
with you 100 times,
Okay,
Bubba.
but
I'm
I
not
gotta
saying.
tell my wife, tell my wife.
We will let you do that. Don't we always?
Listen. look
Don't
at
we
mine,
always?
Dude, my daughter's in there dying, dog. Fucking. Fuck, man.
Listen, we're always cool with you. You know that.
Listen, dude.
You have a fucking BB gun on your side. Of course I'm going to detain you right away,
I know
right?
that, but I put it down.
Okay, well.
There, dude. Man. Fuck, dude. This can't happen right now, bro. I called the judge and everything. What the fuck, man? God damn it, this can't happen right now, dude.
Here, look at me.
Fuck, man.
Is Junior here? No.
Fuck no, Junior's not here. Is that why y'all are here? I'm getting arrested because of Junior? Dude, what the fuck, man?
So tell me where he is.
You got a
I don't know
warrant.
where he is, but I'll pop up and fucking
Hey.
find out.
Can you get a hold of him?
Jim, if I had my phone, I'll try. I'm getting arrested because of goddamn Junior, dude.
What do you mean for Junior?
Because I had a warrant for fucking county ordinance and arrested me for the fucking
Hey,
Junior.
Bubba, listen.
Dude,
Listen.
look at that monitor.
wait.
Guys, listen to me. Listen to me. Shh,
My
listen to me.
daughter's
Hey,
dying.
can you
bro. I
can you
can't go to
can you
jail
listen
right
for
now,
1
dog.
second?
Bubba, listen.
His daughter died.
Be quiet. Listen to me. So I explained to you how to get out of cuffs.
All right.
Let's walk out here and let's
Get my
talk.
phone.
Hey,
Get my
let's
phone
walk
right
out here and let's talk, and I'll tell you
Okay.
how this is gonna work. All
Please
right?
don't pull on me, dude.
I'm just telling you. Let's go.
Don't pull on me. I'm not like that. I'm not gonna bust on you. I'm not gonna run on you. You don't have to
I'm
do
just
that.
listen. I'm trying to get you away from fucking crying ass Rosalie, okay?
Yeah.
So we can talk like grown ass men and figure out how to get you out of handcuffs. Fair enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
But my wife needs to bring me my phone.
She'll grab it.
I'm
Yeah.
not snitching on fucking nobody, but I'll find this little ass. I ain't going to jail. My daughter's dying, dude. I can't go to jail right now. Like she's literally got a week left. I'm not going to the car yet. Come get my phone. Go get my phone. Why is she still standing there? Go get my phone.
Can we stop screaming? No,
Can we
please.
go back to tell my old lady what to do?
She's gonna understand.
No,
Trust me.
she's not. Listen, like literally, my daughter's in her dying. She got a week left or so. My wife can't take care of her by herself. She needs me. So she needs to get my phone so I can get Junior.
And that's exactly what we're
And I
doing.
have a feeling y'all are going to take me to jail anyways, even if I get you.
Why the fuck would I care about a fucking county ordinance
I
warrant?
didn't think you would.
Right? We don't. Jeez. It's not like. Is it ever like that with us?
Is this necessary, bro? I'm not going to buck on you. I never have, never will. I really, truly, dude. God damn it, this sucks.
Just relax for 1 fucking second, bro. Have we ever really cared about county ordinance shit? Especially our squad?
No, you haven't.
No,
You
we
never
care about
snuck up
fucking
on me
serious
like that
shit.
before either.
We walked up and you guys were sitting in a fucking tent. That's all we did. We weren't sneaking up.
I just wasn't
Fucking walking
expecting
up.
you.
Okay, well, you're in a fucking tent in the front yard. You ain't somewhere you can see people walking up.
You got a lighter? No, you don't.
Yeah, no.
Damn it. I got a lighter.
Where's that? In your pocket?
Yeah, I think so. I got a lighter in my pocket.
You're in the fucking bubble,
Oh,
bro.
shit.
Come on,
Fuck.
man.
Oh, fuck me, man.
Really?
I did that, didn't I? That's my
It
money.
definitely don't help, but still, we can still work through things, right?
No, man. Fuck, dude. But break it. Break it now, please. Please break it. Please break it.
Yeah, fucking
Dog, dude. Fuck, dude. Fuck me, man. Why'd I do that? I got a dirty
great
rig in the
question.
fucking. I was throwing it away from them.
Is it fucking open or what?
No, they got lids on them, but I was throwing them in the trash. In the sharks box. Fuck, man. Fuck, man. I was throwing it away from it because they couldn't do their thing, so I was throwing them in the trash. Man, fucking.
You getting warrant?
Yeah, stupid one. I called the judge for it.
Yeah. Don't worry about it. Last time I
And now
remember it
I'm
was
worried
stupid
about
as
it,
well.
though, dog. She's
Why?
bad now. My daughter, she's bad now.
Oh yeah. Hey man, so listen.
I really wish I could smoke this thing. I sent him in for a lighter and I had stupid shit in my pocket like an idiot. There's nothing else in my pocket, bro.
I'm hoping you have that lighter you wanted, right?
No. I thought what I felt in my pocket was a lighter, but it wasn't. Now I'm an idiot.
Wait, that's on that one?
Yeah,
That's the
please
bubble.
break it, throw it away.
Feasible problem.
Man, I ain't never got this excited about going to jail, bro. But fucking dude, that girl's bad. Man, I can't do it by herself.
Hey, I understand, man, but listen. Got a job to do, right?
Would you go tell my old lady to bring me my phone so I can call Junior and find out where he's
You
at?
want to hang out with him for a second? I'll go deal with that shit.
Hey, what do you want to do?
It's just a bubble up there for him. I know. Hey, you got Bubba's phone?
Yeah, right now.
Okay, he wants it.
Which one's his? One's his.
Thank you.
I'm on this side. Bro, can you grab her? Yeah. What's up? Yeah. Can you grab her a cigarette at her car if you don't mind?
And I only have
What's the deal?
I don't know. I'm trying to see it for him.
Where's that?
What's the
It's
deal?
right there in the front seat.
She's gonna give me one right now, but if that doesn't work, hang on with that, and we'll go that route.
So Bubba has the warrant, and
31.
then he had a like, hey, I think I have a lighter in my pocket. Can you grab it? I go to grab it. It's a fucking bubble sitting in his pocket.
Okay, but not like actually.
Nah, it's the bubble. It's just surrender.
He has just a misdemeanor warrant, so if she can, or if he can get us him, I really.
I'll just throw his fucking shit away. Or fucking found property or whatever I gotta do.
I believe them that he's not here. There's a camera like just pointing in the house, showing
Yeah.
like they're watching his dying sister. Or
Did you
something.
see him with the fucking BB gun?
Yeah, good call. I was focused on her. Good looking at it.
He literally fucking.
Yeah. I'm gonna go this route, so just hang tight for now. Whose truck is that with the mic on?
It's Damien, I think. Or Miser.
Mic off, please. What?
So what did you hear? I heard he went to a college, to tell you the truth.
I keep hearing people.
Are you getting
he's
this shit?
going,
I can't get it with my hand on my back, man.
What's up?
I said, if I am going to go to jail, I need to call my bond.
So I'm pretty sure you're gonna go on your warrant. I'm pretty sure. I don't know about that. But I don't know who told you what, but you're gonna get a junior maybe.
Yeah.
Something. Gonna get down about something. We'll see.
It sounds to me like you're saying that I might get them junior, but you're still taking me to jail.
So I don't know. I don't
That's
know.
what you just said.
So this is not what I said. What I'm saying is, warrant is a warrant, right? You know.
Yes, you're
so
right.
if the warrant is signed by a judge, I cannot say that, hey, you know what, judge? You signed the warrant, but I'm going to do whatever the fuck I want, right?
You're right.
See, I got to understand that.
Well, can I get you to put on that shirt? 'Cause I ain't gonna give nobody junior if I ain't gonna find junior if I'm going to jail. My wife, she cannot take care of her by herself. She can't pick her up. She can't move her.
Okay.
But she needs 24-hour care. I'll call a bond junior.
Yeah. Okay. No, like I said, it's
Is
all
he good
it's all
with
in
it?
hunting with the
He's
target.
not
Yeah,
good
he's
with
fine.
us
Yeah, run out.
ignoring it, is he?
We're not gonna ignore that, bro. Yeah, I gotcha. Yeah. All right, sounds good. Yep. By the way, they called South Carolina and Alabama for Trump, so
Have a number?
still too close to call. So,
You got a phone number?
For what?
all right. All right. Sounds good. Bye. You're good to run them out there if you're doing it all.
That's fine.
I mean, look, you can if you want to give them like are you rolling?
Yeah.
Have some discretion,
It's not there. It's just not
you know. So Harrison's doing some talking. He might be able. She might be able to give it to us, but he's got to go on 49 at least. I don't care if you do the meth pipe or if you do paraphernalia, really. But you know, I'd say it depends on how well it goes.
Fuck you, man. You're putting your gloves on me and you got to put me back in cuffs. Can I get some shoes and a shirt?
I'll grab some for you.
And please say bye to my wife.
Yeah, listen, I'm not trying to be a dick, right?
Huh?
So I'm not trying to be a dick, right?
Yeah, I know. Hold on, man. He needs a number. Y'all got a number? He said he's gonna call, and I'm gonna send him the number. Here, let me get him back on the phone, dude. My daughter's on
Did
his
he just
way.
come up here? I mean, he's probably right around the corner, right?
Probably. Man, answer again. Please answer again. Dude, fuck me, man. Man, this shit sucks, bro. I mean, my wife can't even pick my daughter up by herself. She needs me. She needs me. I'm the one that picks her up. I'm the one that moves her from the bed to the toilet. Come on, John. Answer the damn phone, bro. What the fuck are you doing to me right now, man? He's in Clearwater. Why are you in Clearwater, dog?
Right here. Send this phone number to him. Turn the phone screen off. You can snap a picture. You can type it.
That's
Whatever.
a good idea. Why didn't I think of that?
Oops.
I got flash. Whoa. Turn it up. I got a better camera than y'all do. Shit.
Yeah.
This thing's a bad motherfucker. Make sure you can see the goddamn number.
Is that Rosalie? Who's that? They're talking to?
Yeah. You already know.
What?
That's my brother's girl. Y'all just said her name.
Bro, you saw me.
Oh,
I
no,
just
not
pulled
you.
up.
Not my bad, man. I'm just,
You could.
y'all look alike to me.
No shit. The oldest uniform.
Alright? I guess that's for a reason. I didn't quit doing that piece of shit.
You just start the phone up.
Hey, we're working okay.
There it is. Boom. Look at that picture. Yeah, boy. Here.
Good?
What's
You
her?
can give it back
I'm
to
talking to my wife.
whatever.
Alright. I've all gone from this way.
You can give her a hug or whatever you gotta do, and then we gotta get going, alright? Fair enough.
Yeah, whatever.
It is what it is, right? We didn't
So,
make the
like I
fucking.
told you, you got a job to do, so.
Hopefully my
Just
wife don't die. Or my daughter don't die while I'm gone. Did you call Dad?
No, I didn't. I was trying to tend to our daughter. I went with him.
Don't you have bonds, man?
Yeah.
He's gonna be able
She's
to
got
help
the
you
money
out.
to bond me out.
There you go. I mean, you can. I mean, if they work
You're not hitting me
quick.
with extra charges because of that, are you, man? But please don't.
I'll hit you with the misdemeanor instead of the felony, but that's all I can do.
Huh?
Hit you with the misdemeanor instead of the felony, but that's all I can do.
Man, you can't break that son of a bitch and be done with it. I mean, I've seen y'all do it before. I've seen you do it
Us,
before.
no.
Have you seen me do that
I
shit
can-
before? I got a job, right?
With these things, no, nobody does that.
So it's going to be a higher bond.
You know, and our daughter's dying in there, man.
Fuck, Gabby, answer the phone. Call your dad. I'm not that directly. Please. Do we have money? How much money we got? None?
I got something.
I got $20 in there on the table. That's $20 ain't gonna fucking do it.
What do you need?
I don't know. Y'all know what my bond is?
The county ordinance is 518, I think.
What are y'all setting that at?
That's paraphernalia. It's like 150 probably.
Oh hell, you can give me a notice to appear on that one.
Not if you're going to jail.
Well, yeah, duh. I mean,
Yeah, $100. Or $99.
that ain't gonna get me out.
That should get you out.
It
Yeah.
should get you out. I mean,
Yeah,
if you
call
have a bond.
McFadden.
Well, I know I have a bond. It's
Call
I'm talking about if you have bondsman, because you're gonna have to, like, if you.
You said you were going to call McFadden, right?
yeah, please.
So then call him. That's what you got to do. You should be good.
We're gonna do.
All right, you ready, boy?
I'm still gonna be in there for like what, 12 hours?
You ready?
and Shit.
I don't have to get somebody. I will let you do.
All right, you guys got the money in your pocket. You're good. You got everything you need.
They don't care at all.
Hey, you want to give her your rings before we go?
You call them in. They're putting the cuff in the so.
Good. I gotta throw 2 sets on you, so it's a little bit easier, right?
Run and get me something to drink, please. Before I get stuck in that car and
Dude, you're going down to booking. She's gonna get your bond set up for you right now. And I
Hurry
mean,
up, baby.
it'll be like,
Listen, don't.
it really won't be
Why are
long,
you
bro.
saying you're gonna be there 12 hours?
That's the last time you took me?
Yeah.
For 13 hours.
For what?
For when you took me.
Yeah, but why?
I don't know.
Because probably technically.
That was the bond call before I even got there, because when I got there, they didn't take me to dress up, but they came to the hotel.
Fucking big ass risk, bro.
The hotel. I was like, I ain't dressed now. He goes, no, your bond's already calling for you. We're going to get you processed and get you out. Yeah, sure.
Hold up. I gotta double lock them so they don't tighten up.
Usually it's
Hold up.
you book in and as long as you
Thank you.
get the number taken care of. Couple hours, 3-4 hours, yeah.
Cool, I appreciate it.
I don't know.
If you need to pull up that case for that, then
Nah, that's good. Yeah, I got it.
But they were just like putting the phone in the book and shit, they weren't doing it.
Alright.
Hold on, she's coming back with a drink, man. She's running right
Okay,
back.
listen.
Okay, let's get in the car.
You're good with him for a second then? Let's get his evidence all together. You wanna give her this dollar you got?
Just leave it there. I'll tell her to put it up. They don't have to close it.
Okay.
you think Brian Fisher's gonna let us?
What?
What's that? Brian, you good here?
I have to.
Brian, you here?
Yeah, right here.
Bubba,
Both.
so what's the situation, man? I'm sure they've already asked you the whole time.
Warrant.
Warrant and paraphernalia.
That'd be 150.
So what's the situation?
So 668 total.
John.
Says
If you call Bonds, you probably get it done real quick. So
Stocksville.
Yeah,
Alright,
he says
perfect.
he's in Clearwater and Kyle has his truck. Has the truck back.
The Silver Explorer
Huh?
Where is the truck?
on Lindale.
I have no clue.
Because I just heard going
I have no clue.
10 minutes ago. He's bullshitting.
I just heard about this shit today. I didn't even know he stole somebody's truck.
When was the last time he was over?
Dude, like a week or two ago? I don't know. I haven't been here. There's nothing in that pocket. You already searched that.
I know, just double checking, bro.
Bubba, relax.
Relax. You want a felony or misdemeanor? It's up to you. You want to be a dick or what do we?
Why are you running your mouth?
I mean, you are.
He can triple search. Well, it is
I don't
what
like
it
to be
is, bro.
felt
Don't
up.
get
I don't like when people have fucking BB guns in their pockets when we walk up either, do I? I don't like when people pull their hands away when I'm trying to fucking cuff them either, do I?
Sorry.
Right?
I'm sorry.
So let's stop acting like a little bitch.
Okay,
Let's
you
sit
ain't
down in
gotta
the
yell at me,
fucking
dog.
car and stop being a little bitch, okay?
All right,
That's
bro,
it.
Listen.
We're done.
Okay, man. Why
Get your feet in there.
trying? You see me?
You yelled up and down the road the whole fucking way out to my car, didn't you?
Not yelling at you.
You were. So get your fucking legs in there and let's stop being a bitch.
Damn, dude.
Gee.
Still doing the paraphernalia?
Yeah.